Hello guys, welcome back. In this additional, there are two tectonics left. The first tectonic is a tectonic with a 1 star. Yes, in this additional of today's newspaper on Friday, October the 2nd, 2020. This tectonic will be number 1675. Alright, so let's get started. And the first question is, can we see the single box? I see here the single box. The single box is always a 1. That means these two boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Triple box, the 3 is already filled in, so the 1 and the 2 are left. We see here 1, so no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 5. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. Then dual box, the 1 and the 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. The 2 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them. Then 1, 2, 3 cannot be. 4 cannot. This box should be a 5, because if I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in this quadrat box. I need a 1 in this quadrat box. So it cannot be a 1. It cannot be a 2, because we have a 2 here inside already used. Cannot be a 3, because I cannot place the 3 here. The 4, same story with the 1. I need a 4 in one of those 3 boxes. I cannot place a 4 here if I put the 4 there. So the only option is the 5. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. The 1 and the 3 are left. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. This box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. This box is reserved for the 2. Let me think. These 3 boxes cannot be a 2. 2 boxes left for the 2 should be here or there. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. The 1 should be here or there. Let me check something. Yeah. I cannot believe this. I thought so. This Tectonic. Wow. I've made a puzzle. The same puzzle as yesterday. This is the same puzzle. I cannot believe this. Look. 166. It's Thursdays, October the 1st. This is the same as today. So, look. The 334141 1414 5555 434311. So this is the same. Let me check the Sudoku with 4 stars. 8612 8612. Yes, I don't believe this. They have printed the same puzzle. Yes. How could that be? Here. Look, the 2 and the 6. 26, 26, 26, 26, 48, 48, 62, 62. Yes, they've printed the same. The binary. Let me check the binary. Three O's here. 3 O's there. Yes. And how about this Tectonic? 5 4 4 5 4 4. Yes, it's the same puzzle, but same additional, but the Thursday and the Friday, October the 1st, October the 2nd, is the same. I don't believe this. It's waste of my time. How could they print the same puzzle? I will not continue this because yes, I'm disappointed in the publisher. Yes, disappointed in the publisher. Yeah. Disappointed. Alright. So this is the same puzzle, same additional. Let me stop this and yeah. No recording. The additional is the same, so I will delete the puzzle because this is not let me check if this also. Yeah, this is the same. How could they print the same? No. Yeah. Three. The same puzzle. That's my conclusion. I've noticed after after the fifth puzzle, because after the fifth puzzle I've noticed this is wrong. This is almost same as yesterday. Alright, I will put the title same as yesterday, so I'm not very pleased. I thought maybe the time is faster, but now the conclusion is if you do something twice, then you will be faster. Yes. So people, thank you again for watching, and I'm disappointed in the publisher. They print the same Sudoku, and yeah, I cannot delete this because the numbering is the same. Not the same, yes. Thank you, and see you later. Bye bye.